Hello and welcome to Sound Expression Greetings, home of the amazing Botsky. And some of you might be asking, what is a Botsky? A Botsky is our trademark product. It's actually a recording sticker that you can record at least 5 minutes with your computer, or you can press and record. And to find out more, just sign up for our newsletter because we're always having new products evolve and specials on those with special shipping. So let us know if you have any questions. As you're looking throughout our site, you're going to find lots of Botskys, whether they're audio or video components, in greeting cards and boxes and books and brochures. So just reach out to us if you have any questions. I know some of you are here for the very first time, and I want to welcome you and thank you for joining us today. And for those of you who are return customers, I want you to know we appreciate you and we appreciate your business. My name is Kelly Fasaro. I'm the founder of the company, and I began the company back in 2000. Originally, I was a singer-songwriter and recording artist. I also have a degree in music, and I was on QVC for a Mother's Day special, and I performed on QVC and had a line of musical greeting cards. And out of that experience, I got many calls from other companies throughout the country. They wanted that idea for their promotions with their custom recordings. And so at that point, my career evolved into working with marketing agencies and all kinds of advertising companies and small businesses also. And we also work with nonprofits and individuals who just want to have their voice be heard. There's so many different opportunities and ways that we can help you to have your creative ideas come into existence. You know, a business is never about the building, it's about the people. And whether it is the people serving you or the people coming to us wanting us to assist them in having their ideas actually happen, we are committed to you. And I just want you to know that you will receive a lot of hand-holding with us and an actual person who's going to take you through the step-by-step process from the time you place your order until delivery, because that's what we're committed to. So we're in sunny Florida, where our main office is, so we're bringing a little sunshine to you wherever you're located. And don't hesitate to reach out to us. We appreciate you and look forward to working with you. Thank you.